Thanksgiving time, so we have holidays, and I got an idea for breakfast. There's lots of dosas: plain dosa, masala dosa, cheese dosa, egg dosa. But I got this idea that's called Black Forest dosa. So what you need is dosa batter, which I'll show how to make in another video. You need a pan, a stove to work on, and my yummy Black Forest, which is the main ingredient. And also, you need whatever this thing is called. Comment down below if you know what this thing is called. To flip, we need this to flip the dosa. So let's get started on how to make the dosa. So this is how to make the Black Forest dosa. I'm gonna be taking the video and my dad is going to be making it. So first, put the pan on the stove, then put the dosa batter on the pan, spread it round in a circle. Let's wait for him to finish.
You want to show the dosa?
And I forgot to tell you, put in the ingredients, put oil on the dosa, and then flip it a little.
We need to wait to get it
Yeah.
roasted.
Wait for it to get roasted. Then take the thingy-majig, and flip the dosa.
We have to wait till it gets roasted.
Yeah, wait.
So it takes few seconds. Pause.
So the white dosa is changing from white to a little golden brownish. So I think it's time to flip. Flippy flip, flip.
So it got the golden brown.
So I think it's time to apply the Black Forest. So first, change the heat of the oven from high to low. Then get the Black Forest, cut it into 2 equal pieces. Put it on the dosa and rub. Rub it on the dosa. Now, once you rubbed the Black Forest on the dosa the best you can, then flip it and make it half. Then there's your dosa, Black Forest.
Dosa.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. So I got my Black Forest dosa, and now I'm going to try it. First dosa, I got some pieces, and now I'm going to try it. Here we go. It's so yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. It's so good. So let me finish off my, and it's very sweet and yummy, crispy too. So I loved it. Let me finish off my dosa. Make sure to comment down below if you liked the video. make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also share this video with your friends. Try to make it at home and see if you like it. Bye!